graduate research assistant with Dr. Sri Prabhu. So as he is not here today, I'll be presenting on our study on fostering student ownership and active learning through student-led group lecture that was conducted in a civil engineering material course. So talking about a civil engineering material course, it is a junior level course that introduces basic civil engineering materials and its application on the real world. This course is taught once a year in the fall semester, and usually 30 to 50 number of students take this course in a semester. But during our study, 32 number of students took this course, and we applied our research method. So usually in this course, traditional approach of teaching is used, where instructor solely provides lectures to the students, and it is less engaging for the students. So this time we applied a student-led group lecture delivery approach as a new teaching technique to evaluate an active learning strategy in learning civil engineering materials. So on the right is our flowchart. Yeah, on the right is the flowchart. So what we did was initially we formed a group lecture module, and then it was approved by the institutional review board. And during our initial classes, we conducted a pre-class survey to the students, and then we formed 9 groups and divided different topics to each individual groups. After that, during our course, students delivered lectures in a group, and then post-class survey was conducted after each presentation. And finally, the presentation feedback was provided to the students as well. And then we analyzed the results and also carried out the statistical analysis. So we actually provided a couple of Likert type questions as well as the open-ended questions, and then analyzed the results. We found out that the students' comfort level in delivering lecture improved after the students have actually delivered the lecture in a group. This can be said by an increase in the percentage of students' comfort level after delivering the lecture, as we see the percentage in feeling comfortable and very comfortable increases in a post-class survey. Similarly, most of the students, whether based on the gender, ethnicity, or a school level, reported that they have a improvement in their knowledge after they have delivered the lectures as well. So, by applying this research approach, we actually found out that this approach is suitable for the students. And as being a pilot project, we also learned a couple of lessons. Like a similar study should be applied in the consecutive years to actually assess its replicability. Similarly, this approach of student-led group lecture delivery should be refined by allowing students to actually choose their own topics. And finally, guidance should be provided to the students on designing and delivering the presentation as an engaging and audience interacting presentation for an effective teaching learning approach. So this was our all study, and thank you.